Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to discuss some secrets of accessibility analysis. I have a program here and I just finished using the programming automation tools to create a collision-free segment. Now near the end of this segment I have a probe rotation to measure a circle on an angled plane. Now using Checkmate's automation programming tools, accessibility analysis suggested that the probe to use is position 3, which is an A45 B-45. Now this probe will work fine, but in my list of probe angles, I have a 60-45 probe, which is the perfect angle to use to measure that hole. So why did Checkmate choose the 45-45 position? When accessibility analysis is determining what angle to use for a measurement, it starts at the top of the position list and works its way down until it finds a position that works, not necessarily the best position. So if my 60-45 was in front of the 45-45 in the list, accessibility analysis would have suggested that 60-45. Now knowing this, I always try to keep my list of probe positions short, while keeping enough positions to measure the entire part. But what if I still want to use that 60-45? Well, that's easy. Simply double-click on that probe rotation in the programming browser to edit it and select the probe position that I want to change it to. After doing that, I can use the shift click to move the probe rotation around anywhere I want if I want to. Thanks for watching and have a great day.